This is our Bear pharmacy students. These are all seniors. And today we're here to help out with the sports physicals that PSJ ISD is now doing. We took up the chance because all of the skills that we learned throughout the year, they get to really do them in person here in a live setting. In my course, they learn how to do IVs, how to do, I teach the pharmacy tech class, so we make medications, they prepare stuff. So I have the kids that compete in HOSA, and so these guys know all of the assessments, so muscle stretches, so the orthopedic stuff. So they've learned all this. So now they get to put it into practice live, so it's amazing.
This experience has been good because it's good exposure for the kids and for me too, because we get exposed to different things because most of us want to be in the medical field. So this is really good touch and based on what we're going to start to do. So it's a really good foundation for what we're going to become.
We have a couple of kids at the ears, nose, throat. Then they move on to the orthopedic area. So these guys behind me are doing the spine check for abnormal curvature of the spines. Then we have the vital signs area where they check blood pressure, pulse, height, weight. And we have the kids at another area checking heart sounds, respiratory sounds, their lung sounds that they're clear. And then we have the kids that are assisting the PAs from UTRGV, so they get to kind of do a little bit of everything.
For me, I think it's important because I personally play sports, and having a physical every year, it makes me ready to be fit, to be ready to be just prepared for anything that happens. I think it says a lot about our school, how we're taking a step forward to become like, if the people that are going to become in the medical field, it takes a step further.
I think at Bears, we take that lead. You know, Dr. Elias allows us to really jump into these things and really just go head first and learn hands-on. So he's very supportive of this. But as a district, yeah, we're ahead of the game doing this.